Today's video is not specific to PDR, however, if you are a mobile PDR technician, as in you spend the majority of your days outside, then this video might be of value to you, so stay tuned. Now, me personally, I love the outdoors, I love the sunshine. Any opportunity I can, I will happily just bask in the sun like a lizard, and just get out enjoying kind of adventure sports, just being out in nature, predominantly being mobile as a PDR tech. I'm working outside pretty much every day. So about 3-4 years ago, I noticed this little kind of spot on my head just here. Typical bloke was like, nah, nothing to worry about, I'm not too bothered. My wife wanted me to go to the doctors, just have it checked out, which I did. The chap there said, basically, you're getting old and it's an old man spot. And I thought, yes, I appreciate I do have grey hair, but surely I'm not that old just yet. But went away, didn't think too much of it, just continued my working days outside, enjoying the sun. Then a couple of years later, got a little bit worse, just slight sort of bruising feeling, occasionally would swell up and sometimes bleed. My wife, again, bless her, was like, you need to go back, get a second opinion, get it sort of checked out. So I did, and I went back. This time they referred me to a dermatologist. They had a look and said it was a Basal something. Like most medical terms, I can't pronounce it, but I'll put the link below as to what it is. Just for kind of reference. But basically, it's a very, very mild form of skin cancer. Now, thankfully, nothing to worry about in my case. It's really small. It's kind of an in and out thing. They just burn it off and you go about your day. But I wanted to do a quick video, just raise a bit of awareness with it, really. Had I have just continued on, ignored it for another 5, 10, 15 years or so working outside in the sun, it could have easily got worse, spread, become a bit more of a problem, maybe harder to treat perhaps. Thankfully, like I say, for me it's not, it's just pretty mild, pretty straightforward, but I certainly would have ignored it, left to my own devices. So if just keep an eye on yourself working out there in the sun. Like I say, not PDR specific, but certainly in my industry, me being outdoors all the time, something to be aware of. Now, growing up, I was lucky to have my parents, my sort of mum, wear sunscreen, wear a sun hat, and you're like, yeah, all right, mum, we'll do, and you don't. But now, getting a little bit older, and definitely something to be aware of. So do wear sunscreen, do wear a hat, look after yourself, and anything like that you see, go and get it checked out. So just a quick short video today, a bit of boring health and safety advice, but I thought it was valuable and something to be aware of if you're just working outside a lot. So that's it from me. Hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.